Hi guys, this is Alex from GSMDome.com and we're here with the very beautiful Samsung Galaxy S2 unboxing experience. This is a dual core phone we've been waiting for, 1.2 GHz of power, but enough about that, let's see the goods. Here it is, the device, in something that reminds me of Shell used to keep the eggs. Okay, the manual right here. This is the USB cable, very thin and tight. An accessory for the headset and the headset we just mentioned, also very tight packing, looks nice. Finally the charger and the battery that we're going to insert into the device right now. This is one of the thinnest smartphones in the world, as you'll see in a minute, and it's also very light, extremely light, even lighter than the LG Optimus Black that we showed you not so long ago. And now here it is. See how thin this is? I can't imagine a handset thinner than that. It's 8.5 millimeters if I'm not mistaken, and it feels like, I don't know, let's say a Snickers bar or lighter. And now let's insert the battery. It's pretty hard to do that. This is very flimsy and flexible. Now let's check out the goods. We first seen this device back at Mobile World Congress, where it shocked everyone, being so thin and light. We even asked some guy out there to remove the battery, because we didn't believe that it had it on. It was too light, simply. Now the moment has come for the great unveiling. Hopefully it will start. Oh, here it is. Enough with the suspense. System recovery, interesting. Okay, we're waiting. It's still light even with the battery on. It feels like a computer with that rebooting sequence from earlier. Expect to be stunned right now. We already are. This could be the phone of the year, what you see right here. Samsung Galaxy S2. .2 GHz of power, 4.3-inch display, Super AMOLED Plus, but more about that in the full review to come. Hopefully it will load faster than that. This is the 8-megapixel camera, in case you were wondering, and it should start any minute now. Oh, here's the green robot. Okay. Enough about that, not in the mood to set the account now. We're going to show you the goods next time in the full review. So, okay, here's the screen. Very interesting interface. Touch wheels in action, and strange button placement for an Android handset. Here, there. The home button is in the middle. There's the menu button and the back button. No search button, which is pretty strange, unless I'm not seeing it. Nope, no search button. So guys, here's the Samsung Galaxy S2. We'll be back with a full review in a couple of days. Goodbye.